unique results. Faith must give you results that are undeniable. Even when you cannot tell the process. But so much of saying that Lord who call gives results that are undeniable. And what who cars who's ganja, God then has your eye to a la kipama. Must go back. Faith will give you means, and it will sustain you when means fail. You can't trust means for living. Ukholo kuyasebenza lusinika imizi lusinika imali lusinika izimoto lusinika bonke. But siyanqaba ukuthi ukholo lube ngaphansi kwalezinto. Kufanele ukholo lube ngaphezulu komuzi. Oh Lord. Kufanele kube neroof yale khaya ngaphezulu kube neroof ekuthiwa ukholo. Kube nebalance enhle yemali ebhenki ngaphezulu kube nebalance engaphezulu ekuthiwa ukholo. Ungavuma ukuba nemali ukholo lungabi khona. You are at a risk. Ungavuma ne-medical aid kodwa ukholo ungabi nayo. Ngiyacela namhlanje ungahambe emonto enhle kanti ukholwa lokho. Ngiyakululeka if there's one thing that you must work above everything that you have called means nasi siluleke, work your faith.